guys, thanks for tuning into my video today. I have not put out a video in about a couple of months. I've been moving and doing a couple of things, but I think I'm back in full effect and I will be putting out videos week after week. At least I'll try to, but I won't go months without putting out a video. And today this video is about this look, right? I love it. I decided to go ahead and do my comeback video as a makeup look. But I decided, let me show you guys a little bit of how I do it, I might not do it all right, but there's probably something that I do that people want to make up. This is a natural look. I think it's a pretty quick way to do an everyday look if you're a person who, likes to look a little cute, but not do like a full beat that takes hours. Then you can do this. It's really quick, and I think that it looks good on dark skin. But guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and continue watching. Okay guys, so I've already primed my face, but I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my eyebrows. I prefer to start off with my eyebrows and then conceal it and then start on the eyes. So I'm filling them in right now with a regular brown pencil. It's a dark brown pencil I got from just any beauty supply store. It would also be easier and it would help to have my eyebrows previously waxed or threaded. It would be so much easier to fill it in. But I'm just doing the brush and fill in technique. So you just brush, fill in, brush, fill in to make it look natural. Also, the concealer that I'll be using to highlight today will be the Ultra HD Concealer by Makeup Forever, and my shade would be Y51 Coffee. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it to conceal my eyebrows. You don't have to use too much. You can just go ahead and use it right underneath and shape out your eyebrows to make it look clean. What I also do is I use that same concealer to prime my eyelids because I will be moving on to the eyeshadow next. So you just apply it all over your under eye because the color I'm using, my eyelid has to be light for the color to appear boldly. So now what I'm going to do is get my beauty blender out and start blending the concealer under my eyebrows and on top of my eyebrows and my eyelid to make it appear even and blend in with my skin. Another technique that I do is I go ahead and I do the tape method. I tape where I know I want my eyeshadow to stop. I don't want it to go into my concealer or into my face or anything. I want it to have a sharp line right there showing that that's where my eyeshadow has stopped. I don't want it to seep into my face at all. First color that I'm using is very close to my skin tone anyway, and I'm using that as a transition and I'm keeping it in the crease. Try to keep it in the crease as much as you can. That's what gives you the little shadow effect. Woo, the Anastasia Renaissance palette. I love it so much. I love those colors. They literally work for any skin tone. And right now I'm going to use Red Ochre. And I'm going to go ahead and go in with the deeper purple from L'Oreal. It's the L'Oreal palette that I bought years ago. And I'm also going to go in the crease with this darker purple. And for the popping color that will pop on my lid, I'm going to go for the Venetian red and hoping that it'll pop off more for the purple to look darker. I was almost happy until I realized there was a deeper purple in the Urban Decay Smoked palette. So that's the one I just showed you. And I'm going to go in my crease with that deeper purple to see if I can get a little bit more of a smoky look. I'm also going to use that Venetian red on my lower lash line, give me a little popping color on the bottom, which would look great after I put some mascara on the bottom also. Oh, and I have to say, I make the ugliest faces when I'm doing my makeup. I'm going to try in my next video to control these ugly facial expressions. Girl, stop! For the eyeliner, I'm not gonna lie, I was mainly going for just a thin liner right on my eyelash line, and I messed up and made it thick. So I had to make the whole thing thick. I had to make it like a wing, kind of. That was not what I was going for, but ultimately it didn't ruin the look, so I'm happy about that. So we are moving on to the face. I'm using my Makeup Forever foundation. I'm using it in the shade R540. And you gotta, blend it evenly on your skin. And for me, my neck is darker than my face. So for this look, I should have spreaded it down to my neck a little bit. But it doesn't look that bad. Oh, that's funny. Where did those laughters come from? So now I'm gonna highlight, and I'm using the same concealer that I used when it came to my eyebrows, and I'm going to do my under eyes, my nose, and right above my lip. For my skin tone, I'm not necessarily going to bake, but I'm going to use the Laura Mercier baking powder to go ahead and make my under eye look less oily. Imagine if I had blew that on the camera. I'd be so pissed. That'd be all over my camera. That was a little too much, but I'm basically just pressing it in. I'm not leaving too much on there to bake. I'm just pressing it in. I'm gonna use the Fenty contour stick to go ahead and contour because of how dark my skin is. With the Fenty, I only get just a little bit of a shadow look, which is perfect for what I'm going for. I don't want it too sharp. I'm not trying to get too beat. This is a natural look. So I was originally gonna add lashes to this look, but then I thought to myself, is that really a natural look? Am I really naturally every day gonna do my makeup and put lashes on? No, I'd rather go with a quick mascara, and the one I'm using is Lancome. For my lips, I'm lining it with the MAC Brown lip liner.